Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials in place. Now begin. Put both AirPods in your ears and unlock your phone so Bluetooth can complete pairing. Once connected, open the phone app and dial or accept an incoming call. Make sure the call audio routes to AirPods by tapping the audio icon if needed. You'll see AirPods listed as the output. Doing this hands-free avoids fumbling. It also confirms the microphone is active and ready to transmit your voice clearly. Once the call starts, focus on control and clarity. Use the audio output button on screen to switch to AirPods if it didn't auto-select. This routes both mic and speaker. Tap or press the stem to answer, end, or mute depending on your model. Check settings to confirm actions. Speak toward the microphone and keep background noise low. Active noise features will help. If voice sounds muffled, make sure firmware is current and that vents are clear of debris. Then retry the call. Wrap up and resolve issues quickly. End the call with the AirPods control or tap end on your phone, then check the Bluetooth icon to confirm they disconnected if you want phone audio. If the microphone doesn't work, toggle Bluetooth off/on and reconnect. This often fixes routing glitches. If problems persist, unpair and repair the AirPods or reset the case by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds. That reset clears connection errors and restores normal call behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.